another day, another dunk. Nike is just really not slowing down on this momentum, and today we're actually taking a look at one of my favorite colorways. This is the Dunk Low UNLV.
If we never don't know, someone's gotta change. Someone's gotta change.
Nike, you have really hit a running stride here in 2021 with these dunks. But anyway, let's take a little look at this box. Pretty standard, you know, the red Nike box. I will give you a look at that size tag. Again, probably what you expected. So let's break them out. Let's take a look. Again, one of my favorites. This is the UNLV Dunk Low. Here we go. So this is the UNLV Dunk Low. This must be familiar for a lot of people. This specific colorway is definitely got a lot of OG inspiration involved, but we'll get into that in a minute. This one actually released alongside 3 other dunks. There was another Dunk Low, which was the Coast colorway. That one was also extremely nice. And then there was 2 high variants, which I didn't care for that much. They were just a little bit plain. There was the Vast Gray and the Football Gray. However, yeah, I'm super happy to have got my hands on this specific one.
Someone's gotta change.
So the retail price, of course, as you know, £90 or $100 out in the US. And the release of these was kind of our first taste of how Nike is moving forwards with the dunk. This is their new strategy of just pumping them out, I guess. So again, like I said, Nike's new strategy is just making, I guess, dunks more available. They saw the hype build up so much in 2020, and now here in 2021, we're getting not just a huge amount of different colorways, but also a lot more retailers are having these in stock. So on this release specifically, the 4 different dunks were all available through the Nike app instead of the Nike Sneakers app. And on top of that, these were also available through plenty of other retailers that wouldn't normally stock dunks, like Foot Locker. And despite them seeming to be dropping pretty much anywhere, the release of these, at least from my experience, they were pretty hard to get. And I know there was quite a few people who had trouble picking these up. However, I do expect plenty more colorways here in 2021. Like I said, I mean, we've already had the Nike ID dunks release. So yeah, we're just gonna be in for a lot more dunks coming up this year. Release date on these has changed a little bit, specifically out in the US. I mean, here in the UK, we got these on January the 14th. However, the US, you guys are waiting till February or March for the 4 different colorways to release. So this specific color blocking we have seen before. Again, this has been dubbed the UNLV colorway, of course, for the University of Nevada, Las Vegas. However, was originally seen on a high model. So the high model was part of the Be True to Your School original pack from 1985. So that high version was then retroed in 2016, and then we saw Virgil's take on it. So Virgil Abloh with Off-White made a Dunk Low, which was very similar to this one, just obviously had all of the Off-White branding on it, like the extra set of laces that go on the outside, of course the Off-White branding, etc, etc. So this one, of course, was going to be a slam hit, coming in at only $90, and of course having that OG affiliation as well as the hype Off-White branding affiliation with it as well. Again, if you liked that University Red or St. John's colorway that released last year, this is a pretty good second option as well. This is a standard dunk. You're gonna feel the exact same leather, which again, it is all right. It's not amazing, however, it's definitely not poor quality. I feel like you're definitely going to be happy with this leather, especially paying that retail price. Now the color blocking, of course, is pretty box standard as well. You're getting pretty much red for the overlays and gray for the base layer. So gray on that toe box, medial, lateral, and on the reverse, and of course that tongue has some more of that gray as well. It's a really nice gray, almost like a steel gray, and of course that red again is just a really nice color of red. Some of the details on this, again, that tongue is coming in kind of a mesh material. You do get a little Nike label at the top, and the insole actually comes with the orange Nike branding, which I thought was a little bit odd. I don't know why they didn't just put the regular red branding. However, they went with orange, which is the only orange on this entire shoe. You also get some Nike embroidery on the back, which again is the same color as the rest of that gray that you see on the shoe. Midsole is in white, which I think actually would look better than if they put gray on this midsole. And of course the outsole is that same red as well. In terms of sizing, this fits me pretty much perfect, true to size. If you have never tried on a pair of Dunks, I would just go with whatever your Jordan size is. For the most part, it's going to be the same. I would say specifically the Jordan 1 has the most similarities to that, so I would use that as your reference. I feel like I grew to like these a lot more when I actually put them on and tried them on with a couple different outfits. If you do not like this colorway, there's plenty of other Dunks that are going to be releasing. In fact, we have the black and white pair, which is also another great option that's going to be releasing, I think, in the next day or two here in the UK. However, I assume that's going to be pushed out as well in the US. I feel like we're having a lot of shoes being pushed back. It's not just happening to Dunks, it's happening to Jordans and a lot of other different shoes. And I can kind of assume that, you know, it's going to kind of be similar to last year where things were just kept on getting pushed back and pushed back. I just wouldn't put anything down as a set release date. Things are just looking a little bit iffy here and there. But whether you have this shoe or you're out in the US still waiting on it, I do think this is a solid colorway of a Dunk Low. And of course, if you missed out on this one, I wouldn't feel too bad because you're probably going to get a heck of a lot of other colorways this year. But hey, that pretty much calls it for the Nike Dunk Low UNLV. Definitely a solid pair of Dunks, solid colorway. I really like it. But of course, let me know what you think down in the comment section. Are you still feeling the Dunk wave here in 2021? Of course, that's going to be the question. But hey, thank you so much guys for coming through, hanging out for yet again another video. I appreciate you guys liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you all in the next one, but until then.